Best Electric Foam Cutter Review. In this video, we'll share with you one of the most popular foam cutting tools in the market that have been used by thousands of people who have given their stamp of approval. We'll also share with you some of the features of this electric foam cutter that makes it so popular. Also in this video, you get to see a quick demo clip of how easy it is to set up and use this foam cutting machine. The one that made our list is the GoChange 3-in-1 Foam Cutter. This 3-in-1 tool includes an 18-watt high-power foam cutter, a wand-style hot knife, and a 10 cm bow hot blade. It can reach up to 300 degrees Fahrenheit within 10 seconds and cut styrofoam smoothly and quickly, seals the edges clean and leaves no debris. You can cut foam from any angle and craft it into your desired shape, and it's great for commercial artwork, school projects, or home crafts. Remember to let this cutter rest after 30 minutes of use, and every time you use it, remember to wipe it down and clean it with a damp sponge to avoid blackening and hardening caused by adhesion of oxides. To check out the full specs of the GoChange 3-in-1 foam cutter and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/foamcuttertool. Here's a quick video demo of how to use this foam cutter. So there you have it, the GoChange 3-in-1 foam cutter. Considering its ease of use, its multi-functionality, and its overall quality, this foam cutting tool is the most value for money. Again, to check out the full specs of the GoChange 3-in-1 foam cutter and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/foamcuttertool. Alright, thank you for watching.